Hey everybody, see this dead grass, this old grass, grass clippings, leaves, all of this material I grabbed and I threw in the back of the pickup truck. If you have a convenience center or an area in your neighborhood or in your county where they allow you to dump leaves and yard debris, it's a gold mine for finding organic material for your garden. You can take this stuff and put in your garden, and at some point this turns into soil and it enriches your existing soil. So it's a good idea, and if it's free, go ahead and get some. That's what I did. I've been working on this. You see you have grass clippings and leaves. Get your wheelbarrow, put your tarp in there, load the wheelbarrow full, take it to the truck and dump it in there, and just keep coming back. Like I said, it's free and it's accessible, and it's cheaper than going to buy bagged topsoil or whatever you put into your garden. So that's what I've been doing. And like I said, at the bottom of this pile here, it's been sitting for years, so much debris, and it breaks down into soil. It has nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, which your garden needs. And so you don't have to necessarily till your ground up. You can just build on top of what you have at home. Now that's my box at home, you see. And I've been putting leaves and debris in there for a while, and I got good results. So this is the fall. This is the perfect time to add to your existing soil. This is something I put down a little while ago that I got, and is breaking down nicely. And again, it's fall, so you have 6 more months for this stuff. Compare that to what this is. My existing ground that I have, dusty, hard, not a lot of nutrients. So you can build up instead of tilling necessarily. You can save yourself some time. Grab the free stuff. Fall is the perfect time because, like I said, you got 6 months for this stuff to build up and break down and build up your soil. It's a good alternative to buying bag mixes and compost. I'm going to add some compost and manure later, but this is the free alternative, and it's been working fine. So I'm going to mound this stuff up as high as I can get it, get this rich stuff in the yard without working too hard to till it all up, and start planting. We'll see what happens in the next few months, but fall is the time. It's September. Go ahead, get you some organic material. Let it break down over winter. By the springtime, you'll be ahead of the game. So, like I said, in my box, that's what I did. I got good results. Now I'm just going to extend the box and expand and just give myself more of an area. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.